It's 𝐌'𝐤𝐤𝐞𝐢𝐚 Jordan, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys all about moving into my semi truck. As many of you guys may know, I promoted out maybe about 2 weeks ago with my trainer. I passed my test in flying colors. Guys, I was so nervous about the entire process, but I did really well. So in this video, I'm just going to take you guys shopping with me. You guys know I try to take you guys everywhere I go in this semi truck as much as I can, when I can, as soon as I can. So as you guys can see, my first stop, I went and grabbed some hygiene items, gloves. I also grabbed me some shower sandals, or shower crocs, shower shoes, whatever you want to call them. I also went shopping at Walmart. I checked out Rose's, Ollie's, Sam's, Costco. So I basically went to like a couple different places and got some food. As you can see, my TV back there, I had this TV for a while. This was one of my editing monitors for my computer when it came to my clients and editing music videos. guys want to call it. Peep my little wine glass, guys. That's going to be my streaming glass, my little bougie cup or my little bougie glass for my videos. I want to give a big shout out to my mom. We end up making literally something out of nothing because I knew that I wanted everything to be done in one day. My mom know how antsy I get when it comes to wanting things done in a day, and she actually decorated my Crocs for me, or you know, designed and bedazzled my Crocs for me, and I loved them so much. They were so boring, and then they just, her touch, you know, my mom's touch. I also bought my mom the iPhone she been wanting. She been getting like real spoiled lately. Yeah, I told her she better enjoy it. Even peep how like my little shower shoes was looking boring until, you know, we added the bedazzles on them. So as you guys can see, I'm also showing you guys some things that I found from the Dollar Tree. Guys, I spent I think less than $300 designing my whole trip. The only thing left that I really just want to get that I don't have yet is like my pretty tall curtain. I also want to try to get some like stick wallpaper, kind of put on the back of my truck. I want some stick wallpaper if I can find some. So these are my blankets. I love my blankets, guys. To me, blankets is like a must-have in your truck, especially if you like to cuddle. And I can't forget my dad. My dad definitely bought a lot of stuff, and he took care of a lot of my bills for me, just to give me a head start on just focusing on exactly what I need to get and do for the truck. So he like opened up that window for us to even go shopping just in totality. This is my floral cup that I actually found that matches my seat cover. My Gigi bought me an air fryer, a microwave, my refrigerator. Guys, I really felt like I was moving into college. So this is basically like my little gig tablet. This is where all of my loads come in. I also went to the thrift store and found my pretty dishes that match my seat covers. This is my little area. Like I said, it's not much, but it's a vibe. It's an entire vibe, and she smells good in here. So it's just an entire vibe for me. I actually love my little LED lights that kind of give it that little glow. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.